To rotate an object or pattern, you will first select the object that you want to rotate. Then click Edit, then Object Edit, and then the rotate icon top right of that screen. You now have options to rotate left or right by 90 degree, 10 degree and 1 degree increments. You can use any combination of those to get to the angle that you would like. There is an undo button should you make a mistake or should you want to go back 1 or 2 steps. This tool works the same on individually selected shapes or groups of shapes, so whatever you want to rotate, you can.